Thanks for watching our demonstration on setting up a LinkedIn account. The first step is to go to linkedin.com. Getting started is easy and free. Just enter your name, email address, and create a password. Be sure to use your corporate information if you're planning to set up a business account. Then simply click Join Now. LinkedIn requires some basic information in order to set up your professional profile. So you'll enter your country, postal code, your employment information, and company name. Then click Create Profile. You can skip this next step because we're going to be setting up the networking features later. Once you've confirmed your email address, you'll be asked to select an account type. For our purposes, we'll be selecting a basic account. You can always upgrade to a premium account later. And now you're able to start editing your LinkedIn profile. You'll notice on the right all the areas where you can insert information. All of this information is required if you want to set up a company page. The easiest way to get started is by following the steps you'll find in the blue box. Simply add all of your appropriate information as the blue box guides you through all of the required fields. Experience, education, adding a photo. Here we're just going to add a logo. You'll want to add your company's logo here. Then you'll add your skills and expertise, which is similar to basic resume information, and you'll notice some keywords popping up as you type. These suggestions are always helpful. When you get to the details section, you'll want to add a couple of sentences that describe your company. Click Save and you'll see that your profile is looking great. Click Done and you can go back and view your profile. In order to create a company page, LinkedIn will need to make sure your profile strength is intermediate or higher. The company that you want to create a page for is listed as your employer, and, among a few other things, it also wants to see that you have a couple of connections on LinkedIn. The easiest way to add connections is to add your email. Just go up to Network, and in the drop-down, click on Add Connections. If you select this @email, it will default to your company email address that you used here to set up your LinkedIn account. So we'll go ahead and click Continue. There will be a pop-up where you will have to click Accept for LinkedIn to have access. Once you've given LinkedIn access, it will generate a list of people who have a LinkedIn account, and you can check who you would like to connect with, and then click Add Connections. LinkedIn will then generate a list of people who do not yet have a LinkedIn profile. If you want, you have the option to invite these people to LinkedIn, but for now, we'll skip this step. And that will bring us back to the Connections page, where you can do the same process with any other email addresses that you might have. Right now, we're not going to do that, so we'll go back to our profile, where we can see that we now officially have all of the requirements in order to set up a company page. For that, please watch our next video in this series. Thanks for watching.